What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK5475 ELE Auto. This is going to be our 5 on 4 3/4 brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle, and this will be the self-adjusting brake kit. See right here, this is the box you'll get it in. It's got our nice logo on it. If we look down in here, this will be the boxes you get everything in. We pack them nice and tight so they don't move around during shipping. These will be our two smaller boxes. We can see right here, we're going to get our true rad hub and drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs. These are spaced 2 3/4 apart, and this hub and drum will come with the races on the outside and the inner. Right here we'll have our self-adjusting backing plate. The magnet's already in there. These are ready to just wire up and bolt on. We got our true rad inspection sticker down in here that'll tell us left hand and right hand as well. You can see right here for the self-adjusting backing plates, there'll be this wire right here, and that's how you can tell that these are self-adjusting. And what that allows is, as you use these pads, these will automatically adjust out so that the drum stays at the same distance. Right here we have all of our small parts. Our other hub and drum, our other backing plate. So we'll get 2 hub and drums and 2 backing plates. Then we're going to have our bearings. We'll get an outer and an inner for either side. Our inners are going to be the 68149 and our outers are going to be the 44649. Our outers are just going to pop in right here, and our inners are just going to pop in right here. Then we're going to have our seals. You get 2 seals, 1 for either side. And these, you'll just pop your inner bearings in, and then your seal will just pop on right behind it. We're going to have our lug nuts. We're going to get 10 of these. They just pop on right there. We have our castle nuts and cotter pins. And a lot of people won't send you the cotter pins. We like to send them, make sure you have everything you need. So you'll just stick this castle nut right on your spindle, and then your cotter pin will just pop right through. Hold that on. Then we're going to have the hardware. 8 nuts and 8 washers. And we'll just throw these backing plates on, throw your washer on, and then throw your nut on. That's simple. And then we're going to have our grease caps. Now you'll get 4 grease caps. 2 will be solid and 2 will have this hole in them. These are for your easy lube spindles, and these are for your regular spindles. These will come with your rubber plug and your tang washer, and these will come with your regular spindle washer. That's pretty much it, guys. These are a really simple kit. Just bolt on, wired up, you're good to go. That was the BK5475 ELE Auto.